Step is we're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna remove 8mm bolt here, 2 8mm bolts here, and then 1 8mm bolt under here. Let's go. Oh. Then the next step is to move this aside. And as you can see down here is one of the bolts for the headlight. Let's see. You have to be careful so it doesn't fall. I'm gonna catch it. This bolt is longer as well. And now we'll have to turn the wheel to the right. It's better to turn on the car to do this, but I'm just gonna do it like this because I'm strong as fuck, boy. Now we can reach 2 bolts here, T20 Torx, and another one here, T20 Torx. Rusty as hell, boy. Yes, sir. And now we have to bend this plastic gently out like that. And now we're gonna look for the last screw. So this is the last bolt for the headlight. Let's get it. Okay, so we have the extender and the ratchet here. You can use like a normal, what is it called, like a wrench thing if you want, but I'm gonna use this thing. You just have to be careful with the plastic. The last step is just to wiggle this lamp out. You have to be a bit careful because the connectors are still connected, like the cables. But I think if we're just doing this a bit slow, it's possible. Like, you have to be careful and you have to wiggle it out a bit. There are some like plastic points, like here, there, down here, that you have to be careful about. But like now we have enough room to pull it out, so we're gonna take a plier and then we're gonna pull out the lamp. Here we have the H7. As you see, it's broken. We're gonna change it now. Actually, guys, it's gonna sit like this. So when you install it, this thing is gonna be on top like this, boom, and it will pop in. So now it's working. I recommend testing if it works before you install everything. We still have to reinstall the bolts and then the plastic and the inner wall here. So now, so now everything is put back together. And the last step was to put back this plastic lid, and it's held by this spring. It's really easy to remove, actually. Just pull it out like that, like on this. Yeah. So this was a quick do-it-at-home video, like how to change your headlamp on an OPEL Corsa 2009 VAUXHALL for you British guys. So it was a basic video, but I hope it helps. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. And I see you next time. Peace.